Mega love shout out. Welcome to my channel. This is Pure Stone Heart. And once again, nandito po tayo para mag-unboxing na naman guys. So may na-order na naman ako online. Palagi na lang. But anyway guys, thank you so much. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe for my channel, please do hit the subscribe button, and then sa pag-share and like ng video natin. Thank you so much guys. So again, I ordered this one in the same shop or the same online shop which I used to order. Hindi siya ganun kamahal, mura lang po, pero I love it, the color guys, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys what's is inside. Come on, let's go. Let's do this. I will do the unboxing. Okay, where's my... Okay, here you go. Here we go. So again, delivered just this morning. Yeah. Okay. Here's what we've got. Okay, for the oceans. This is Adidas. Ayan, Adidas. Parley. And this is what going. Yes, this is size US 9.5, UK 9, France 43.3, Denmark 9, Japan 250. Yes, this is a Magmao Originals, made in Vietnam. Okay, so this one guys. Ayan. So the packaging is very good. I love the packaging. Oh, there you go. Okay. Seems that the color is very nice. So that is what it says here. Warned. Maumag. So I believe this is very so the color is very nice. Yeah. Yeah, this is the color guys, this is the color. Yeah, I love the color for this one. Thank you so much once again. This is Pure Stone Heart. And for those who did not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching